Hi, welcome to the TunesKit channel. If you see an icon of a data cable and a computer on your iPad, it means your iPad has entered recovery mode. So today's video will show you how to fix an iPad stuck in recovery mode. Method 1. Force restart your iPad to exit. For most iOS system problem, the first method you should try is to force restart your device. Press and hold the home button and power button simultaneously. Then release both buttons until you see the Apple logo on the screen. For iPad with Face ID, press and quickly release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Next, press and hold the top button. When the Apple logo appears, release the button. If that doesn't work, you can use TunesKit iOS System Recovery to exit. It can fix more than 150 iOS device issues, including stuck on Apple logo, stuck in recovery mode, and white screen, green screen, etc. Connect your iPad to the computer and select the Enter/Exit Recovery Mode option. Then click Exit Recovery Mode. Wait a few seconds and your iPad will automatically exit recovery mode. Likewise, if you still need to enter recovery mode, you can use the Enter Recovery Mode function and it will immediately put your iPad into recovery mode with just one click. Method 3. Use iTunes to exit. Connect your iPad to the computer, and iTunes will prompt you with a message indicating that your iPad is in recovery mode. You can choose to update or restore your iPad to fix the issue. Click Update to upgrade your iPad to the latest system version and exit recovery mode. Click Restore iPad to upgrade to the latest system version, but note that this will erase all your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.